Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting full guide for you on how to enable photo auto download when using mobile data on WhatsApp. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Settings from the options that appear. Step 4. Tap on Storage and Data from the Settings menu. Step 5. Under the Media Auto Download section, tap on When using mobile data. Step 6. Mark the checkbox next to Photos. Step 7. Finally, tap OK to save the changes. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that photos are automatically downloaded when using mobile data on WhatsApp. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful content.